guys, what's up? What's up? Yes, I'm going to teach you how to make steering wheel. Cool, right? By the way, this is not only for cars. You can apply this with any of your builds. This is a rusty car. This is where I'll teach you how to do this. I usually use 45-degree rotation for this, but it's up to you. Place a block in front of the seat. Resize all sides. Move this block with move 20. By the way, yes, check match rotation. This will also serve as the center block of the steering wheel. Place block on it, and yes, make your steering wheel design. You can design your own. Usually, I make it as wide as a block. If you don't know how to make a perfect circle, I have a full tutorial here in my channel. Use the trowel tool to move the steering wheel near the center block. There must be a space between the center block and the steering wheel, minimum of 0.1. Place a servo like this on the center block. Use trowel tool to move it. Only the dark block of the servo touches the steering wheel. It must be like this. Connect this light servo block to the center block. Any way you want, just make sure these blocks don't touch the steering wheel and the dark servo block. Place piston here, like this. Save and reload. Place block behind the piston. Select all mechanics except this block. Uncheck anchor, press the piston. Select all this and check anchor. By the way, bind the servo to the seat. The controls, it's up to you. Turn off collision of these blocks. Make the mechanics transparent, except the steering wheel, of course. Move it back using move 20. Guys, make sure the mechanics doesn't touch any other blocks, except for this block, and if needed, make sure this block is connected to your build. Place a switch for the piston. Save and reload. And yes, check reverse rotation. Alright, too easy, right? Now you can flex this to your friends. I hope you learned something, guys. By the way, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe now and click the notification bell. Please like and share the video. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye.